Hey, this is Rocket City RVer. Today's video has nothing to do with RVs or campgrounds or anything like that. It has to do with geeky engineer stuff and their hobbies. I'm a big Trekkie. This is my man cave that we're in, and you can see up on the wall I've got a big mural on the wall there. There's one actually on the other side of the camper, on the other side of the garage here. And as being a big Trekkie, there's a company called Eaglemoss that had some kits where you could build the Star Trek Next Generation Enterprise D model. It was about 36 inches long. It was all lit. It was extremely detailed. Unfortunately, I've learned in the last few days that Eaglemoss is filing the equivalent of Chapter 11 in the UK. So all those people who are building the Hero Collection kits, it's not just the the Enterprise D, but the car from the Ghostbusters series, the Ecto 1, and there's a bunch of other kits that they have that are just extremely detailed, and it's very fun. It's fun stuff. It's very intricate and very complicated, and sometimes when it's got the electrical pieces of it, but it's fun. It really is. So here's where I am today on the kit that I was working on. The saucer section for the Enterprise D, it's not complete. This is the bottom of it. Top of it's complete. I have the battle bridge that's functioning and one engine nacelle, and you can see that those are the only pieces I have. And as a result of what I've learned in the last few days, apparently those are the only pieces I'm gonna have. I make videos to give people solutions, but I really don't have a solution to this. For all those people who are in the same boat that I am, please leave comments down below. If you have anything or any ideas of what you're going to do with your models. I'm hoping that the company will restructure, maybe someone else will purchase Eaglemoss, and I'm able to finish this model, but I don't know for sure right now. And I'm kind of disappointed. I've got a lot of time invested and a lot of money. I was hoping to complete this model and actually put it right up in the center of the garage, hanging down, all lit and powered and everything. I thought it would be cool. But anyway, that's my video for today. If you have any comments, any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. This is Rocket City RVer.